Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be bringing you a Shopmissa haul. It has been a super long time since I have ordered from Shopmissa. I want to say around a year to 9 months ago. It's been super long. So it was time for me to check out the new items that they had. If you've never heard of Shopmissa, everything on their website is $1. They have accessories, makeup, a lot of girly stuff. So I will leave their link down below if you want to check their website out. And also everything that I got in this haul will also be in the description box. So make sure to check that out if you are interested in anything in this video. But before we get into this haul, I just want to say if you are new here on my channel, welcome. My name is Alexis Celine. I post beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content. So if you're interested, definitely consider subscribing down below. Also, tap on the bell so you'll be notified of any future uploads of mine. But with that being said, I'm just gonna get straight into this Shopmissa haul. Alright, so here's the package. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. The thing I love is that their stuff is really well packaged. It comes just like this. So for sure, none of your stuff is gonna be damaged because they have really nice packaging. Let's go ahead and pull out the first thing. First thing out of the bag are these sponges here. They're called the Paw Paw Wonder Blenders. These sponges work so well. They are so soft and bouncy and they really blend your makeup in really nicely. They also do sell these on Amazon. I think they're a little bit more expensive on Amazon than they are on their website. So definitely check them out. These work super nice and they're not too big once you add water to them. I decided to get a big pack because it's been a while since I have gotten any from them. The next thing are some sunglasses. These sunglasses are so cute. Definitely my style. They're like rectangle and they're black. I love how dark the lenses are. I'm gonna go ahead and try them on. Ooh. These are cute. I like these. I like that the tint is kind of like bluish on the inside, but on the outside it does look pretty dark. They're just a vibe. They definitely will match great with a lot of clothing pieces. These glasses, only $1. Probably gonna be like my new favorite glasses to wear. The next thing is this little headband. This wasn't even in a package or anything, so I don't know if this is like a return or what. It is like a little dirty, so I don't know if somebody returned this or not, but it's super cute. I love the little pearl design on the ears. I just wanted to get that for like get ready with me or just whenever I'm doing my makeup and have my hair out of my face. So the next thing are these little razors here. This is actually a repurchase for me. I have purchased these in the past and I really love these razors to shape my face. They work really nicely and I love how small they are. They're just really nice quality. So I decided to get 2 packs. I just wanted to make sure I had some backups. Definitely try these out if you're in search of some facial razors. Next is this pom pom here. Definitely way bigger than I expected it to be. It is a little keychain. I got this for one of my bags to accessorize my bags. Next are these brushes here. I want to say this is a repurchase as well. In my last haul that was almost a year ago, I purchased these and these work really well from Shopmissa. They are the same shape, kind of like slanted. I like to use the small one to set my eye primer or this to do powder under my eyes. So they're really nice quality. Like I said, I've had the other ones for almost a year and they are still going strong for only $2. I want to say is the price for the set, but they're really nice quality brushes and they have a lot of different ones to select from that come in like a duo set. The next thing is this hair tamer. Help with your flyaways. I want to smell it. I saw a lot of reviews on this and as you can see, got a lot of flyaways going, a lot of frizz going on in this hair, so this is a must need. I like the packaging. It's really nice and sleek. Let's go ahead and smell it. It almost looks like mascara. Ooh, it smells so good. I want to try it, but I'm scared. Let's see. Oh yeah. Did you see that? Definitely works. So I'm definitely going to be using this, keeping this in my purse because I get a lot of flyaways, got a lot of baby hairs going on and just a lot of frizziness going on, so I definitely needed that. The next thing are these makeup tape strips. These come with 48 in this set. So these are just to get that sharp detailing whenever you're doing your eyeshadow or if you want to use them to kind of create a crisp line for your eyeliner. I had never seen these before on their website, so I think maybe this is a new thing that they have, but I'm excited to try them out. Then I got some more sunnies. I don't know how I feel about them. They definitely feel a lot cheaper and thin compared to the other ones. They are pretty though. I love the ombre effect on the lens and the detailing, but I think it's gonna be too big for my face. Yeah. These are not it. These are so big for my face. I'm just not feeling these. I mean, they are cute. I like the design of them, but yeah, it's just too big for me. On to the next thing. Let's see what else we got in here. Got this little bag here. It's almost like a pencil pouch. I'm trying to open it up just so we can kind of get the visual, but it's a pretty good size and it's just like a little cosmetic bag, or that's what I'm gonna use it for. I don't think it was a pencil pouch. I think it is a cosmetics bag. So just to kind of switch out my makeup bags whenever I'm on the go, I like to bring my makeup with me just to touch up while I'm out and about. So this one's really cute. I love the floral print. I think it's perfect for the summertime. The next thing is this strap here. It says you can use it for your phone or your bag, but I actually got it for my phone and my camera. So it's just this rainbow beaded little wristlet, and it has all these little smiley faces on it. Really adorable, and I just love the vibrant colors. Okay, moving on to some jewelry. Look how cute these earrings are here. They're just these little butterflies with the pink little detailing. Then I got these little pink acrylic ones. These are super cute. They kind of like look retro to me. I just love the style of them, and they feel really lightweight because most of them are heavy on my ears. So these feel like they won't weigh down my ears. Then I got this headband. It just has this little pearl detailing here on the bow. Super soft and really stretchy. Yeah, I just love the details. Okay, this one is kind of like kiddie-ish, but it's really cute. It's this little notepad, and it just has this unicorn on it, and then it comes with a pin. I didn't know that it came with a pin. And it has these different tabs on the side. I just wanted this to keep in my bag. Whenever I come across a video topic that I want to film, or just kind of any ideas pertaining to filming content, I like to write it down. I'll usually type it in my phone, but sometimes I like just to see it written down, and then I can scratch it off when I do that video. But yeah, I just want to have this for my purse. I got another makeup bag, this little cosmetic bag. This one's really cute. Like, you definitely probably can fit a lot in here. Yeah, this one's really nice quality. So yeah, it's a pretty good size. It's not too big or not too small. I definitely feel like it can fit in a regular size purse. And then you can also still fit a lot of your cosmetics in here. Then I have this little clip. Look how cute that is. It has like this Sherpa material on it, and it's just this really baby pink color. It is pretty long, so hopefully it can fit a lot of my hair because my hair is super long. But I just love the quality of this. It's so cute. Was obsessed when I seen it, so I had to get it, and I do have a few to select from, but the pink one, it was just calling my name. And then I got another keychain. This one is just a baby pink color. This one's way softer than the brown one. And this one has gold hardware instead of silver. Also, to accessorize a bag, I got a few necklaces. I don't know if I want to take it out because it's going to be hard to show you unless I'm like wearing it. But I don't feel like trying all these on. So I'll insert some of the pictures of the necklaces. But there's this one here. This has this cute butterfly on it. And then I got this that it's like almost like a choker, and then it has two little studded earrings. Then I have some more earrings. I have some little cross earrings. These look a little bit cheaper than the other ones. So I didn't realize I also got these, the pink ones, and I got these in the creamish white color. So yeah, I got two of the same ones, but just in different colors. So I can switch it up if I want to. Coming up on the last few things, I didn't get too much, but I got another necklace. Like I said, I'll insert a picture so you can see because it's kind of just thrown in there. You can't really see it. And then the last thing is another strap for my phone. I just love the design. It's kind of like evil eye themed. Super pretty. That is everything in this Shopmissa haul. Please make sure to give the video a thumbs up before you leave, and also subscribe if you aren't already. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more, and until next time, bye.